Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Today I got a special. I had another video planned, but it's getting too dark, so I figured we'd do this real quick. We have the young woman that's always in all of my videos. In this video, we have the Blue 50, which we still looking for names for this. We're still looking for names. So if you got a name for it, let me know. But today, we will be teaching this young woman here how to drive manual. And this is her. She's trying to brush up right now. If y'all can see that. Probably can't even see it. There you go. Yeah, so I'm gonna go around what I want her to do real quick. We're in an empty parking lot. We're gonna go around a couple times. We're gonna show her exactly what to do, exactly how to do it, and we're gonna let her try it. Hopefully she does not break nothing. There's like 2 poles here, and there is let me see, there's like little bumps here that'll probably rip my bumper off. These right here, these parking bump things. So I mean, there's a lot of space here, so she should be okay. And then next will be getting her a manual car, which would be good. So at the car, we did it a million times. Clutch all the way in. Turn the key. Wiggle the shit to make sure it's not in gear. Let the clutch out. Alright. This is the hand. You gotta go about the hand motions, alright? So, push it all the way over, all the way up. First gear. You're gonna let off the brake. Alright. You're gonna let the clutch out slowly, about halfway. Then you're gonna give it just a little bit of gas. Then you're gonna let the clutch all the way out. And we're moving. Then you gotta make sure you turn. Let the clutch all the way out. We're gonna turn. We're just gonna do circles today. Alright. Keep the gas constant. You're not gonna give it more gas. The gas is fine for you to get all through everything. So the thing we're trying to accomplish today is just getting going smoothly and maybe second gear. So a little gas, letting the gas go, putting the clutch all the way in, all the way down to second, let the clutch halfway out, give it some gas. Let the clutch all the way out. Easy peasy. You let the clutch out.
I was supposed to do.
Whenever you get into a manual car, you have to make sure before you let the clutch out that it's in neutral, or else it'll stall. Way down. Put it in first gear. Let the clutch, let it go, let off the brake. Let off the brake, yep. Now, let the clutch out slowly. Halfway, let it out halfway. You're moving now, right?
Yeah.
And just give it a little bit of gas. A little bit, just a tap. And now let out the clutch all the way. And you're moving. She did it!
Stop.
Alright, wait. A little bit more. Now turn. Hand over hand. Keep the gas. Remember, you need gas. Here. Gas, remember, don't let it fall. Alright, get ready. Hey, sorry. Alright, come on, cut it. Hand over hand, there you go. Hit the gas, there you go. This is the same spot we taught Larry how to drive. Straighten it out. We made 2 whole starts, start, stops, whatever, without stalling. We're getting better. Hand over gas, you gotta give it a little bit of gas. You're just cutting out all these people here.
Sorry.
All these people, gee. So when we're coming back around there, you're gonna try to go in. Stop. Gas, brake.
What did I do?
You're about to hit that.
Oh, I was trying to turn.
Services.
You know what I mean? You can downshift.
If a route is active, you can say next turn, update route status, route summary, cancel route, or voice guidance on or off.
I don't know what's up with this. That's all for today's video. Happy New Year. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more 5-0 content. Browse the channel. Follow me on Instagram. Have a nice day.